Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to buy a PayPal gift card. So let's get started. First of all, open your preferred browser on your Android phone and go to the site paypal.com/gift. Once the page loads, you can browse a variety of gift cards including the PayPal gift card. Tap on the PayPal gift card option when you find it. Now choose the amount you want to load onto the card. You'll typically see options like $25, $50, $100, or you can enter a custom amount if that's available. After selecting the amount, tap on Buy Now or Add to Cart depending on the interface. Next, confirm your purchase details and choose your payment method. Since you are already logged into your PayPal account, you can use your PayPal balance, linked debit card, or bank account. After reviewing everything, tap Send Now or Complete Purchase. Once the purchase is successful, the digital gift card will either be delivered to your email or be available in your account under the Recent Purchase or Gift section. You can then redeem it or send it to someone else. And that's it. Now you know how to buy PayPal gift card. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.